Welcome to Akshara Max Academy. Today we are going to learn chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables, case study number 5. This is for the grade 10. This is case study number 5. For this chapter, case study, already 4 case studies. Link is given in the description. Please make use of it. What the question is? Sheila went to a fair in her village. She wanted to enjoy rides on the giant wheel and play hoopla. The number of times she played hoopla is half the number of times she had on the giant wheel. If each ride on the giant wheel costs rupees 3 and the game of the hoopla cost is rupees 4 and she spent rupees 20 and she spent rupees 20. What first question? What is the more number of times did Sheila played giant wheel and than she played on hoopla? 4 option is given. Second, how much did she spend on playing hoopla? How much did she spend on playing hoopla? So the third question, how many times can she ride on a giant wheel? Only if she has rupees 20. Fourth question, how many times can she ride on hoopla? Only if she has rupees 20. How much did she spent on riding giant wheel? Option is given. 4 option is given. So we will go for the questions detailing. What is meant by hoopla? Means a game in which throw a ring on the items kept in the stall, and if the ring covers an object completely, you can get that what it is there you plan to put, so that you can get an object or whatever it may be. So here they are given condition. What is the condition is given? 2 condition is given. What the condition is? The number of times she played hoopla is half the number of time rides. So based on the rides only given. So here I am going to take let the number of rides. Let the number of rides I am going to take it as an x. Here they are telling about the number of times she played hoopla. Hoopla game, that I am going to take number of times in hoopla. Okay, number of times in hoopla, that I am going to take it as a y. So here they are telling about the condition. So number of times she played hoopla, that means y, which is equal to is half the number of rides. Half means 1 by 2. Number of rides is x. Number of rides she rides is equal to x in giant wheel. Okay, so you can rearrange this one. This 2 you can take it that side. So 2y is equal to x. So x minus 2y, which is equal to 0, make it as an equation number 1. Here they are telling about number of, this is a general. So second equation I will tell you later. So here first question what they are given is, what is the more number of times did she played giant wheel than she played on hoopla? So giant wheel, what is giant wheel? That x sir. How many times he played there better than this one means 2 times sir. So 2 times. Option D is correct. How much did spent on playing hoopla? 4 option is given. How much did she spent on playing hoopla? So hereafter only we are going to find out. So here what another condition is given. Each ride for giant wheel is rupees 3. They told for each ride is rupees 3. So that we have taken as x. For number of rides that we have taken as x. For one ride it was 3 rupees. So 3 into x plus 3 into x. Hoopla game is 4 rupees for one time. So 4y. Totally how much she spent is 20. So this is, take it as equation number 2. What is equation number 1 is x minus 2y is equal to 0. So here x we have 3x. So here but we have only 1x. So I am going to make it as same. So I am going to make it the first equation into 3 so that I can get the same. So first equation into 3. So 3x minus 6y, which is equal to 0. This is first equation. I have multiplied with 3. So here also 3x, here also 3x. So just change the symbol to cancel this one. So minus, this will become plus. and this will become minus. So 3x will get cancelled. So I can get as 10y, which is equal to 20. So y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. So substitute y is equal to 2 in first equation. What the first equation is? X minus 2y is equal to 0. So x minus 2 into 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4. So number of rides in giant wheel is 4. Number of times in hoopla is 2 times. So here what the question is asked, the second question, how much she spent on playing hoopla? Hoopla, how many times, sir? 2 times she played a hoopla. Each time it is a 4 rupees. So 2 into 4, that is 8. So option C is correct. So third question, how much times she can ride a giant wheel only if she has 20 rupees? So 20 rupees she have for one time. For giant wheel it will be for giant wheel how much rupees means for one time it will be a 3 rupees. So approximately we can get 6 times, sir. 6 times completely we can get. So 6 I can write. 6 times she can ride, and she has some remaining amount also. How much time can she ride on hoopla only if she has 20 rupees? So 20 rupees she have one time. If you want to play a hoopla, 4 rupees. So 1 4 is 4, 5. So completely 5 times she can play. How much did she spend on riding a giant wheel? She ride 4 times. She ride the giant wheel 4 times. One time it was cost is rupees 3. So how much rupees means 12 rupees. So option A is correct. I think you liked this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask through the comment. If you have still now didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.